Hey everybody, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on CRO token, Crypto.com's token. So if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. But here we are. Here's Chronos Pause Chain. You know, there's the token migration. I think it was originally MCO, and then they went to CRO. But what is Chronos Pause Chain? I have no idea. So I was going through it, and it's now live. It's the next generation public blockchain that enables transactions worldwide between people and businesses. Huh. Why is Chronos Pause Chain? I don't know. It's secure, innovative blockchain that built to be fault tolerant. Instant and low cost. Transactions are instant and confirmed with minimal fees. It's permissionless. Open source project for validators and code contributors. Open ecosystem. Welcoming to and supported by innovative projects included payment, DeFi, and NFT initiatives. So, and those are, three big areas too. How does it work? Please review the migration details below if you currently hold ERC20 CRO. So this is the go from the ERC20 CRO to migrate to the native chain of the Chronos Pause chain. So, and if you want to stake CRO, I think that's what you have to do. You have to go to the native chain. So this will explain how you do that. Your ERC20 CRO will automatically converted to native CRO when you withdraw. This is Crypto.com app and exchange users. So that's a big reason too, if you believe in this coin and want to stake it and all of that, and you like doing stuff on your mobile, which most people do, Crypto.com is definitely a solid exchange. And like I said, my partner Crypto Cody, he loves that exchange. He really strongly believes in it. And so anyway, they have these DeFi wallets. You can migrate your ERC20 to native CRO using our simple in-app migration tool. So, and then there's other wallets that it supports, MetaMask, Ledger, which is a hard wallet. So and then there's frequently asked questions. So I was going through these. What is token migration? It's to get off the Ethereum network and onto the Chronos Pause chain mainnet. Let's see what else. Which migration method is most suitable? I'm not really worried about that because I don't have any. What are the benefits of migrating my CRO to mainnet? So I'm doing this video for anybody out there that has CRO, wants to get CRO, get involved with it. Who knows? I might get some CRO, but it might be just because I believe where the tokenomics and where the price of this token is going to possibly go. But I would do an ERC21. But anyway, what are the benefits of migrating to a CRO mainnet? Well, the target mainnet CRO staking, it's the big thing is the staking. Rewards is set at roughly 20% PA. I'm not sure what their PA stands for, but anyway, 20% return, I'll just call it, to stake or delegate to validators on Chronos Pause chain. So, but you can't do that with the ERC20 Ethereum token. So, excuse me. So anyway, that was just the gist of CRO. It's to me, it's a layer one. Let me see if we can find out more about that. Another great thing with CoinGecko, we can go here. Let's go by categories, and let's see if we can find layer ones. Oh, here they are, layer ones. So we're going to click on that. I'm pretty sure it's a layer one. So let's see, layer ones. Here it is, Chronos CRO. It's number 32. So it's a $4.5 billion market cap. And it's 32 on the market, total market cap. So anyway, it's definitely a very strong coin. It survived the bear market. It went way down. I mean, its all-time high is 91. Let's go. It's 15.5 cents. It's down almost for total dollars trading volume on 24-hour. Market cap 4.2 billion. If this thing rockets and balloons, definitely see a 10x in this. And I'll tell you why I think this could 10x. Because we have a lot of the exchanges have their coins. And we have BNB, which it's had its coin for quite some time. And BNB right now, it's like $600. had some good luck with BNB in the last bull market. But look at that, 616. I mean, so I currently don't have any BNB, but this article I found about CRO, why we will surpass BNB. This is CRO 2025 roadmap. So that's next year. So I'm pretty excited about this. So if we're interpreting what Chris, at CEO of Crypto.com, meant by the new quarterly burn formula based on price and block size, here's how I see it. Dynamic supply control. This burn formula adjusts based on two key factors, CRO price and network activity, block size, and ensures that the network grows in usage and the tokens appreciate the burn scale proportionately. This makes it a responsive and adaptable mechanism to manage supply. Incentivizing ecosystem activity, linking the burn to block size directly ties token scarcity to platform success. The more transactions, dApps, and utility the network generates, the more CRO is removed from circulation, creating a direct correlation between network health and token value. So to me, that's saying if the network is healthy and doing lots of transactions, they're going to burn more coins to make the coins more scarce, in turn drives the price up. If the network isn't doing well, they're going to do the reverse. So, I mean, I like the way that works. So we keep going. Stabilizing tokenomics for long-term value by factoring price and mechanism avoids overburning during market downturns, which we definitely don't want to do the overburning, while amplifying burns when CRO is in high demand. This balance supports a sustainable deflationary model, which is crucial for maintaining investor confidence over time. So, and now if you're comparing that, so we'll go actually one more. Number 4, aligning with the 2025 roadmap with plans to introduce stocks, ETFs, and stablecoin. This burn formula ensures CRO remains a key driver of value within the ecosystem. As Crypto.com expands its offerings, the token scarcity will continue to grow alongside its utility. Comparing to BNB's burn formula, while Binance's BNB burn is tied to quarterly profits, auto burn based on fixed metrics, price, and blocks. Crypto.com's approach appears more forward-looking by linking burns to network usage. So overall, I'm reading this and I'm thinking that it sounds like CRO's burn mechanism to me is much more viable than what BNB is doing. And BNB, what they've been doing, it's worked, but to me, it seems like CRO is going to be more efficient with it. So, and we're looking at BNB is right here, $89 billion market cap right now. That's crazy, right? Let's look at just do some comparing here. Right, $90 billion market cap. They have to go back to CRO. Remember, BNB is 617, right? With what did I say? 200 million max supply. So, and we're going to go back to Chronos and we're going to look at that. So we have BNB at a $90 billion market cap, and we have Chronos CRO at a $4 billion market cap. That's pretty much like 22. Oh my God. So the market cap of BNB is 22 times greater than the market cap of Chronos. So just say Chronos does a 22x. So could that be possible? Let's see. I'm just talking fundamentally right now, not technically on the charts. So if we have, I love just playing with numbers. It's so fun. And we say it was roughly 22x, right? So that would put CRO at $3.41 per token, right? Where its all-time high right now is 96 cents. So that's roughly like 3.5 times past its all-time. Say it just got to its all-time high of 96 cents, right? That's still going to be like a almost 5.5x maybe. Oh, more than that. That's still a 6x. I think this thing's definitely going to hit its all-time high. Is it going to give BNB a run for its money? I don't know about that. Maybe in 10 years, but I think in the near future, meaning the next year or so, I can see Chronos getting to, maybe even doubling its all-time high, maybe getting to $2. But I think it's definitely going to get to $1 this cycle. So, and I'll tell you why. Now we're going to go right into the charts on this one. Here we go. CRO, right? Here's the daily chart. Look at the move it had. I know Crypto Cody and I went over this briefly on one of our lives in the last couple of days, but what I really like in this is you see the chart here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I like to zoom out and then I'll zoom in. Because when you zoom out, you see all the price action over the last few years. Like this goes back to 2021, right? So now look at 2021 or even 2020. And you see this right here. I mean, to me, this is definitely an area of resistance and support, right? This line in here, look at this, right? This dates back to 2020. It hit it, came down. Oh, we got above it. It kind of held for support a little bit and broke below it. And then it kind of rode the line for a while. This is the bull market 2021. And then it took off, just like just about everything else, right? And it took off and we picked up at that 96 cents. And then, here we go, the bear market all the way down. But look where we had some levels, right? It broke this level, but it came up here to try to test this again, went down, and then it was just routing the volume point of control. This is where the believers that did the dollar cost averaging could really benefit here in this bull market if they were continually building their bags of CRO. But you can see, it came back up here. This was back in March when we had a spike and everything was going up. It did not. It hit this line in the sand, this 17-cent resistance, and it stopped. So, but then if you look at this time, it did wick above it. So that's the first time it's actually gone above that line, really, since 2021. So could this be the start of something like this? It's a possibility, but it did close above the 200-day moving average. What I would like to see happen over the next few days, week, is it to get a close up above like 17 cents and just, even if it's consolidating there, even if it's consolidating like in this range, just say, it starts consolidating between like 17.5 and 15.5 cents, build up some momentum, consolidate, and then get ready for the next leg up, which to me, the next leg up after this, here we go. There's nothing to stop it until we get to about 40 cents. So from this price to 40 cents, once it breaks out, and that's going to be a quick double, 1.5. And then after that, there might be some resistance here, but then there's not much more till all-time high. And then it's price discovery. I might have some resistance at 75 cents all-time high and price discovery. So I'm definitely going to look at this more closely. So I'll get into again, just so everybody knows, this is not financial advice. It's just my opinions. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'll give you my opinion on if I was going to be getting in to CRO right now. So depending on what you're doing, if you're doing this for a trade, like a swing trade, this is actually a good price to get in right now, around the 15.5 cents. I'd probably, right now it's 15.6 cents. So this is a really good price right now to get in. But if you're swing trading, if something happened, the next thing, if this doesn't hold and it doesn't go up, the next stop is probably going to be, you might have a little support here at 14 cents, but nothing stopping it after that until the 200-day moving average at 13 cents, and then you have this area at 12 cents. But it seems to be consolidating here. So this price area is a decent price. But if you're swing trading it, like I said, I'd probably put a stop loss in, tight stop loss, probably around 14.5 cents, and then just let it ride if you get in. But I would put that stop loss in to protect your downside, because like I said, if this breaks right here, if it gets down below like 15 cents, nothing's going to stop until it gets down to probably 12.5 cents. So you probably want to get out at that point. Remember your risk to reward. So like say you get in where its price is now, and what did I say? Probably to here. So you're risking about 6%. If you want to go a little more, 6.65% would be your risk, but the upside, probably would be, excuse me, for a quick trade, I think it would hit this point right here. So your upside would be about 35% gain to a risk of 6%. So your risk reward would be pretty good. So that's roughly what I would do. That would be my suggestion, or what I would do if I was buying CRO. So anyway, but I really like this chart formation. You can see you had the flagpole. It's definitely a bull flag. I like how we had higher lows going here. So I really think, CRO is going to go with the market. I know we had a nice bounce up, a lot of coins. Definitely had some 100% gains, 50% gains. I think right now the whole market is in a little correction in a sense, just solidifying what used to be resistance and coming back down to them and confirming that it's now support. So I really like this coin. I think short term, I really think we're going to see over 20 cents before the end of the year for CRO. After that, 2025, my prediction is we're going to have new all-time high for CRO. So anyway, that's what I have for CRO. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. And if you could, hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.